chapter number 6, grade 8, subject Assess, human resources. In previous video, I have explained about the human resources and why the census we carried out and the estimation population of India. Now we will see the population growth of the India, and for that you can see the graph also on the page number 41. So population of India increased by 18.1 crores between 2001 to 2011. As I have told you that census, whenever we count the census, it takes the time of 10 years. Means every 10 years, decade of 10 years, we are counting the information or data collecting of every region of a country. So first we have we will have the census of 2011, and then we saw the 2001, and then we saw the 2011 census. So in that we came to know that in 2011 the total population is 121.01 crore, and in 2001 it was 102.87 crore. So you can see that there is an increase of 18.1 crore population. Okay. So though the population has increased, but the population growth rate, जब growth rate निकाली तो it was decreased. जो rate होता है, percentage होता है, the total population जिसे divide करते हैं of the country, so that growth rate decreases, which is very noteworthy. वो note करने जैसा है कि ठीक है, at least we have seen that population increase हुआ है, but जो उसका growth rate है वो थोड़ा decrease हुआ है. Okay. So, number of literate and education citizen increase. So, the number of literate person means the educated person has increased. We have seen from the 2001 till the 2011, there has been increase in the number of educated person. So, as I have told you, you can see in the graph from 1901 till 2011, means every 10 decades they have given the population, the number of population की कितनी थी. So as we have said you 2001 it was that, and 2011 it was that, means there was an increase of population growth. So that matter is obviously of worry. For whom? For the central government कि इतनी population क्यों increase हो रही है. दो कहीं ना कहीं राहत मिली ये सुन के कि there was a rate goes down. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला growth rate कम हुआ था by 1.7%, एक राहत थी, but कहीं ना कहीं population तो increase हो ही रही थी. So somewhere central government has to see the policies or the schemes so that central government has launched any policies or the schemes related to the control of population growth, ताकि population ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा control हो सके, वो increase ना हो. So we'll see what are the reasons for increasing the population growth. ऐसे कौन से reasons हैं जिससे population ज़्यादा growth हो रही थी. Reasons for the population growth, कैसे कैसे reasons हो सकते हैं. So the first thing is it is very to increase the growth, to increase the population, it is very natural phenomenon. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल naturally होता है, but there are various factors which responsible for it. ऐसे बहुत सारे factors भी हैं. So we'll see the first is immigration from the other countries. Yes, people are migrating from one country to another country, right, for the search of better development. Okay, so what kind of development? First is the industrial, for the employment, for the placement, जहाँ पे अच्छा placement मिले, अच्छी job मिल सके, for the trading, for the business. अब ऐसा हो सकता है कि कहीं country में या कोई state में उनका business अच्छा नहीं भी चले, so they are thinking for migrate to the another way or the another country. So the education for study purpose and for the settlement, to settle in any country or in any district, city, whatever. So due to that, population also increase. If somewhere we can see the state which they have very less population, and in some states population increase. So this happened due to these factors. And the second factor we can say that from the last 2 decades we have observed there was a lower in death rate. डेथ रेट जो थी वो काफ़ी कम हो गई है फ्रॉम द लास्ट 2 decades, मीन्स 20 सालों से. अर्लियर द रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, अब ऐसा क्यों, दैट ऑल्सो विल सी. पहले क्या होता था, इन द अर्लियर टाइम द रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ लो, इनफैक्ट एंड फीमेल मॉर्टेलिटी रेट वाज हाई. जो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ जो थी, जो रेट होता था, रेट, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द पॉपुलेशन नंबर ऑफ द पीपल. अब जो ग्रोथ रेट होता था, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट, इट वाज वेरी लो, बट द इन्फेंट एंड फीमेल देयर रेट वाज वेरी हाई. उनका जो रेट है, नंबर ऑफ this for number of female and the infant, that was very high, and mode of transportation was not good. Mode of this I'm talking about the earlier time. I'm not talking about why the lower rate was less from last 2 decades. This point and this point is totally different. So I'm talking about the earlier time. There was a problem of transportation, so people were not able to transfer or able to migrate from one place to another. Keep in mind that previously in the earlier time there was the rate population growth was low. Rate of population क्या था, population growth कम था. ठीक है, क्यों कम था? Because the mode of transportation was not good, so they were not able to migrate from this place to another. Okay, and number of death rate was more. Why? Because if we talk about before 20 years, decade is of 10 years, अगर हम 2 साल पहले की बात करें, so there was not much advancement in the medicine में बहुत advanced technologies नहीं आई थी, इतनी medicines advanced नहीं थी, so that we can control the typhoid, cholera, plague persons. Okay, famines were also occurred, अकाल पड़ता था, सूखा पड़ जाता था. ठीक है, due to that many people were died, and medical facilities were also not developed. अब medical facilities जो थी वो बहुत advanced, बहुत developed नहीं थी, so we were not able to control the death rate. Okay, so this was the situation of the earlier time, we can say before 20 years. So that's why it's written, ये इसका point मैंने explain किया कि ये problems थी earlier time, but the scenario of this time is totally changed. अभी के टाइम का जो सिनेरियो है वो टोटली चेंज हो चुका है. As we have seen previously, people are not having the proper food, famine occurs, due to that many deaths happen. So now scenario is changed because people are getting nutritious foods easily. It is easily available in the market, advanced medical facilities there, so that's why various treatment, medical treatment we can give. As you were aware that previously few backs here, if we talk about swine flu, as swine flu arise, as we have the medical advancement, so we have introduced, the government introduced the vaccine of swine flu. As now in this situation we are facing the problem of corona, right, of COVID. So now though it was late, but vaccine arise for the COVID also. So as the medical treatment advanced and medical vaccination program also being introduced, okay, so that's why the growth rate of population has increased. So speedy of mode of transport is available, so easily people can go here and there in the help or in any requirement. Easily they have the transport. जब भी कोई भी help चाहिए उन्हें, तो easily they can ask for the transport. They opt for the transport. Pre and post disaster management improved. Yes, previously as we have talked about the before 2 decades, so we were not aware which disaster is going to come, means क्या होने वाला है. Neither the post pre information we were not having, but nowadays there is a very scientific development happen, and we come to know which disaster is going to be happen for the future. पहले ही हमें पता चल जाता है, and what steps we need to take for measure to precaution for that disaster. तो कब आने वाला होता है, what are the post effect will be there after that. So all the measures, all the steps we are taking previously. जैसे फ्लड आने वाली होती है तो वो प्लेस जो है वो खाली करवा देते हैं। कोई भी डिजास्टर होता है लाइक अर्थक्वेक आने वाला होता है तो थोड़ा पहले प्री प्लान रहता है, मींस एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है कि आने वाला है, इट्स नॉट द प्लान इवन, इट्स अ एक्सपेक्टेशन। सो तो हम वो चीज़ कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए स्टेप्स कैसे लोग वहाँ पे बचे, वी कैन टेक द स्टेप टू हेल्प द पीपल, बट प्रीवियसली इट वाज नॉट देयर। दैट्स व्हाई हायर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट वी आर सीइंग नाउअडेज, ग्रोथ रेट जो है वो इंक्रीज हो गया है ड्यू टू सच डेवलपमेंट। ये जैसे ही बहुत एडवांसमेंट आई है तो ग्रोथ रेट इंक्रीज हो गया। एंड द other part of this we can say that the average life expectancy means कितने उम्र तक, what is the expectation of the life people can live. So previously it was in 1920s 40-41 years maximum, उतने रेट में डेथ होती थी, but as it was increased people were living till the 63 and 64 years, so the life expectation also increases. Yeah, and the birth rate also increases. There are the factors responsible why the birth rate increased. Birth rate क्यों increase हुए, उनके factors हैं. The factors are illiteracy among the people. Illiteracy बहुत है. They don't know how many child should be there in a house. Just they have 4 or 5 babies in their family. Superstitions, अंधविश्वास, orthodox means ये दो पॉइंट में क्या आता है कि लाइक if in a family there is a no male, means no male child, so वो एक होता है ना, वो आप वो जो परंपरा होती है वो आगे नहीं बढ़ती है, ठीक है, आगे जो सरनेम लेके जाता है वो नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आफ्टर गॉट मैरिड ऑफ द लेडीज सरनेम गॉट चेंज, तो वो उस सरनेम को आगे कौन रखेगा. सो दे हैव द नेगेटिव थॉट, दे हैव द ऑर्थोडॉक्स थॉट दैट in a family one should have a male child. तो उसकी वजह से पॉपुलेशन बहुत बढ़ती जाती है. चाइल्ड मैरिज, पॉवर्टी, if poverty will be there, if people are living in below the poverty, अगर वो poor people है, so they are thinking that they should have a more child, तो ताकि वो सब अगर काम करने लगेंगे child labor, तो they will earn more and more, they have that thinking. And negative attitude towards a small family, and the previous like the people who are orthodox, जिनकी जो पुराने रीति रिवाज को believe करते हैं, so they were having the negative thought towards a small family, means small family नहीं होनी चाहिए, 4-5 बच्चे एक फैमिली में होने चाहिए, उससे ही फैमिली कहते हैं. if a family have a 2 child, तो उसे उनका पूरा negative effect होता था फैमिली पे. तो family means so that there should be more than 4 to 5 children, so just because of that also birth rate increases. So rising population cause administrative problems. Yes, if the rising of population will be there, means continuously population will grow, so administrative work काम करने में तकलीफ होगी. People will face the problem in shortage of food. अगर पॉपुलेशन हद से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी तो सप्लाई ऑफ फूड भी तो होना चाहिए, इतना फूड तो स्टोर होना चाहिए, इतना फूड ग्रो होना चाहिए, सो वी कैन सप्लाई टू ऑल. वाटर, हाउसिंग, रहने के लिए घर, प्लेस, एरिया, पॉल्यूशन विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, एम्प्लॉयमेंट विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. अब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग पढ़ेंगे, एजुकेट होंगे, पॉपुलेशन होगी, ऑब्वियसली दे वांट फॉर द एम्प्लॉयमेंट, जॉब चाहिए उनको, so there also people face the problem. Traffic congestion, if population will increase, obviously the mode of transportation, the people will use more and more transportation as number of people are there in the family, so traffic congestion also will increase. So to control all such things, government has to launch scheme and to take the legal action or the legal measure to plan all such things. Okay, so this was comparison between the things which were happen before 2 decades and the things were going on after 2 decades. So scenario is changed. Previously the growth rate was decreased, though the population was increased, but somewhere जो growth थी, overall growth rate जो था वो decrease हो रहा था, and now the situation is like growth rate is increases because we have a good facility, we have a medical advancement, we have a very good technique, and the facilities we are getting, medical treatment is very good. So due to such things, such good things, the growth rate of population is increasing. I hope you all have understand about the population growth and what were the reasons for population growth. क्यों population growth इतनी increase हो रही थी? We have compared the 2 decades before and present situation. Okay, so go through with the textbook and the video properly. Whatever doubts you will be having, we will solve in the next live lectures. Till that time, take care and good day. Thank you.